Hi, I'm Sunju and welcome back to Upcycle Clothing Designer. For each project, I try to recreate trendy clothing using thrifted items, old clothes, and fabric remnants. This week, I made a sleeveless Pintuck blouse from men's dress shirt. The pin tucks along the neckline gives a classic look that pairs well with knife pleats along the armhole and mock neck. My goal was to make pin tucks that are completely straight and evenly distributed. In this upcycle tutorial, I share my tips for how to make pin tucks and knife pleats in this look. Let's get started! For this pin tuck top from dress shirt tutorial, start by deconstructing the original dress shirt. Use scissors to detach the collar and neckband. Also, cut along the arm seam to detach both sleeves. To make the top piece, fold the dress shirt in half lengthwise. Measure 20 inches up from the bottom hemline. Draw a straight line across and cut. To make the pin tucks on the back left side, unbutton the shirt and fold the dress shirt in half lengthwise with the inside facing outwards. Use a pencil and ruler to mark 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch along the top edge of the neckline. Repeat this pin tuck pattern until you reach the 6-inch mark. Next, measure 8 inch along the button placket and draw a straight line across. Use a ruler along the line to mark pin tuck pattern until you reach the 6-inch mark. Draw a vertical line to connect each of the pin tuck marks on the back left side. Use scissors to snip the ends of the fabric at each pin tuck mark. This will make it easier to match the folding line on the fabric at the specific placement. To make the first pin tuck, fold the fabric along the 3/4 inch line. Then, top stitch along the 1 inch line. Repeat this pattern to make 6 pin tucks on the back left side. To make the pin tucks on the back right side, make 6 pin tucks starting at the buttonhole placket. To make the pin tucks on the front left side, fold the back piece of the original dress shirt in half lengthwise. Use a ruler along the new front neckline to mark 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Repeat this pin tuck pattern until you reach the 6-inch mark. Next, measure 8 inch along the folded front center and draw a straight line across. Use a ruler along the line to repeat this pin tuck pattern until you reach the 6-inch mark. Draw a vertical line to connect each of the pin tuck marks on the front left side. Use scissors to snip the ends of the fabric at each pin tuck mark. Fold the fabric along the 3/4 inch line. Repeat this pattern to make 6 pin tucks on the front left side. Repeat the pin tuck steps on the opposite side of the front piece. To make the new neckline, measure the width of the original neckband. Match the shape of the neckline by dropping 1 inch in the back and 2 inches in the front neck opening. Draw a smooth curved line to the shoulder seam. Cut along the line to make the new neck opening. To make the new armhole, measure 8 inches down from the high point of the shoulder seam. Draw a smooth curved line that attaches the shoulder seam to the armhole opening on the side seam. Cut along the side seam, armhole, and shoulder. Fold the chest piece in half lengthwise and copy the armhole pattern onto the opposite side. Cut along the line to complete the front piece of the top. Copy the side seam, armhole, and shoulder of the front piece pattern onto the back piece. To sew the top piece together, top stitch both shoulder seams with the right sides facing together. The Pintucks use up a lot of fabrics, therefore I needed to add a few extra inches to both side seams. To make side panels for the top, use one sleeve from men's shirt. Cut off the cuff and open the sleeve by cutting along the underarm seam. Fold the sleeve in half lengthwise. Measure 11 inches along the folded line and 6 inches away from the folded line. Then, cut along the folded lines to make two separate 11 inches by 6 inches rectangles. Double fold the hem around the bottom and top stitch to complete the side panels of the top. Attach the side panels on the side seam with top stitch. To make the new neckband, use the original neckband from the men's dress shirt. Use a seam ripper to open the seams on the top and bottom of the collar. To make the knife pleated detail for the neckband, use the back yoke from the original men's dress shirt. Cut two separate 2 inches wide straps. Attach the straps together with top stitch. Fold the long strap in half lengthwise. To make even knife pleats, use 1/4 inch wide placement marker. Place the marker on top of the folded strap. Tuck the fabric over the guide, remove the placement marker, and top stitch over the pleat. Again, use the placement marker and tuck the fabric over the guide piece. Repeat this process until you reach the length of the neckband. To finish the knife pleated neckband, insert the knife pleated strap into the top seam of the neckband. Pin to secure and top stitch. To attach the pleated neckband to the top piece, insert the bottom seam of the neckband into the new neckline. Pin to secure and top stitch. To complete the new armhole, measure the width of your shoulders. Mark both sides of the 11 inches shoulder width. Then, measure 8" down from the high point on shoulder seam. Draw a curved line that attaches the new shoulder to the bottom of the armhole opening. Cut from the underarm hole to the top of the shoulder. Copy the armhole and shoulder onto the opposite side of the top. To make the knife pleated detail for the armhole, use the other sleeve from the original men's dress shirt. Cut off the cuff and open the sleeve by cutting along the underarm seam. Fold the sleeve in half lengthwise, measure 2 inches away from the folded line on both sides. Cut along the lines to make 2 separate 2 inches wide straps. Fold each strap in half lengthwise. Use a 1/4 inch wide placement marker to make even knife pleats. Place the marker on top of the folded strap and tuck the fabric over guide. Remove the placement marker and top stitch over the pleat. Repeat this process until you reach the end of the strap. Duplicate the knife pleat steps on the second strap. To finish the new armhole, pin the pleated detail around the top of the armhole and top stitch. Double fold the hem around the bottom of the armhole and top stitch to complete this pintuck from men's dress shirt. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this tutorial helps to inspire you to make more upcycle clothing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your Pintuck blouse with me on Instagram at Upcycle Clothing Designer. Leave a comment below and let me know what upcycle project you'd like me to try next. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!